3, 2, 1. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Magdalene Ramsey. In today's video, we are going to be doing baking, and it's all about brownies. Not just any brownies, but vegan brownies with non-dairy milk and non-dairy butter. So yeah. Guys, before we start this, obviously you need to wash your hands, and before you do any of this, make sure you're supervised by a parent or guardian. And obviously I'm supervised. Say hi, Mum.
Hello.
So yeah, that's my mum. Let's get to it. Okay, so guys, so this is sugar, and now we're gonna get a bowl and put it in. Okay, and this is the melted butter, so guys, be careful when you hold this. Make sure you get a parent to supervise you, or you can do it. And now I'm going to mix it. Okay guys, oops, let's put that there. So now is the non-dairy milk, and yeah, I'm just gonna pour that in like so. Well, this is hazelnut milk.
Okay.
That we bought, so you're gonna mix that as well. Okay, now guys, so this is flour that I've just raised. I just self-raised it because I want it fluffy, you know, like fluffy.
I gotcha.
Okay, so you just pour that in. And here's cocoa powder. You just pour it in as well, as so. And now you're going to mix that just for a bit, so it's not fully. So it's just like that, starting to form, but not really. Okay, guys? And then, yeah, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put vanilla extract, but if you want more flavor, you can put whatever you want, really. Just to let you know, guys, if you don't know what measurement you want to do, well, I'll send it down below, you know, okay? So this is baking powder. I'm gonna put baking powder. And last but not least, a pinch of salt. And now we're gonna mix it very much. Now, obviously, like this, you may need more milk. Okay, so I'm gonna put more milk. Yeah, that will do. If it's starting to get like a bit like hard, just put in some milk, because it's not supposed to be very hard. It's supposed to be like this, obviously, not hard, like batter. We're done. For the hard part, it wasn't that hard though. Obviously, I've preheated the oven, or my mum has, but just make sure you've got something, because it could burn your hands. Yeah, so that's hot enough. So, I've got a baking tray. Now, I know if the children out there doesn't have baking paper, you can use oil to smudge against, well, grease it. So I'm gonna go get oil. Okay guys, so I got the oil. And excuse my messiness over here. I had a bit of a cleanup. Okay? And yeah, we're just gonna put a little bit. Right guys? So like that. Just that. And this is a messy part. Smudge it with your hands. So it may be too much oil, so I'm just gonna put some in there because it could be too much and could make it the brownies greasy. You don't want that, do you? Now I'm gonna wash my hands. Nope. Okay, I'm just gonna dry it. Okay. Figured out, you might as well put it in. Now, as you can see, many brownie recipes have chocolate chip in them to make them nice and, you know, chocolatey. So, shall I add chocolate chips? So guys, it took me a while. I chose chocolate chip to put it inside. It's vegan chocolate and yeah. So I'm making this recipe because of my mum. Shout out to my mum. Say whoop.
Whoop, whoop.
And because sometimes she feels left out and like
I'm lactose intolerant.
yeah, so she's lactose intolerant and she can't have as much stuff as I can. I can have ice cream.
I do have my ice cream.
But they can have vegan ice cream. So I'm just gonna abandon the whisk right now. Okay. And I'm just gonna leave my hand. So sorry, this was the cocoa powder, sorry, and I'm just gonna slide it in. It just gives it that nice chocolatey feel, you know. And we are going to put it in. So except it's gonna be done in a moment. So it's just gonna look like in there. Right. And yeah, here it goes. Just say realized I've got this on my hand. Okay. Just realized, okay, you need to do that. Just get an adult to do that if you need to. And carefully put it on top. Put it, guys. So you're wondering why the spatula is nearly clean. Mom, clean up on aisle 2. She licked it, along with my younger sister and me. We kind of licked the batter. I don't know why. A secret why you can use your parents' kitchen, especially your mom's kitchen, is to clean up, my darling. You clean up.
Yeah, clean up. Hey, cow. Hey, Magdalene.
What?
Hey, Magdalene.
What? Gonna get a cloth and clean the water that I spilled. And it will be fine. Instead of dripping. And that's how You're clean.
Yay! Peace out.
Peace out.
Yay.
Oh, by the way, guys, just letting you know, malt is a Nigerian drink. It's part of my culture. By the way, it just has nothing in it. Oh no, nothing. Three, 2, 1.
I suppose so, yeah. And we're quite certain that
Maybe
what else to be a heavy set woman in a silk dressing gown?
Little.
You can see her there.
So you just hook it. If something's on it, then you put it in for a bit more. So I'll say about 10 minutes. Yeah.
Oh, it's all in good fun, of course. An initiation of sorts.
Well, guys, the brownies are done. I'm just gonna let it cool down so I can take it out the tin. It's cooled down now, so I'm just gonna flip it onto this. So. Be careful when you use a knife. You must be supervised during this.
Granted, and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the way.
It's done.
How is it, Magdalene?
I'm gonna judge this. Mommy? Well, guys, thank you for watching. I guess before I end this, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a huge thumbs up. Bye.